Hello everybody, here is the garden on the 4th Saturday of November. Here we are. I've done a little bit of work here. That plank of wood there, you can see, was actually previously over there. I was using it to walk on, but now I've just had the brainwave idea of just putting it here. Those plates I've taken off of that fence post you see on the bottom of this one. There was like these fence posts that were just used to hold fence up, but I've hammered them out and used them to just hold this. I'll put some pipes in as well. There's loads of cardboard and some sort of fibrousy sticks in here, which I've got to hopefully will break down over time. By the spring they might be a bit more broken down. Yes, here's the patch, the nettle patch. I've got this. I'm going to put some more sticks in from the tree when it eventually gets pruned, the tree out front. In the greenhouse we've got some things I've stored in here for the winter, like these avocado trees. I've got these windows open a bit now all the time, unless it's frosty. The temperature's up a little bit, the humidity's not on 100%, it's on like 96. Here's all of these individuals. They're not doing so. Some of them are doing okay. Some of them I've had to prune like this because of infection. They've been getting this mould on them. I've left one or two fruits out here that I cross-pollinated. There's only a few left though. These yellow bell peppers at the back seem to be doing very well. They seem to still have a lot of leaves on them, which is a good sign. These in the corner I've left. There's from the small peppers that I've saved, just a sort of an experiment really. This is one RC20. I've had to bring him back outside here because no matter how hard I cleaned them, no matter how well I cleaned these guys up, they seem to get these little bugs on them and these little fruit fly things, and they just are a nightmare in the house, and you don't really want that. The yellow Ramiro seems okay. Here he is, just a stick. See if it can survive till spring. This one, 3OB20, is the third boss plant. You can see there, I've got the names so I know which ones they are. This is badly infected. See, it's infected at the top with this like mould. It's infected in the middle, and it was infected near the bottom as well. It didn't do too well. 1 and 2 red Ramiro 20s are both infected. This is a sidekick of this guy, but it's infected at the top. You can see it's gone a horrible, it's sort of a grey colour, and it's got white spores. That's some kind of mould. But these windows here I've got open, so there's airflow in here. All of these, the red Ramiro, free red Ramiro 20, and all of the sidekicks, which are seeds that grew from the same fruit as this one, they seem all okay. So I've got lots from that one, but I've only got two RR20's got one sidekick. This guy hasn't got any, but it doesn't matter. You know, there's going to be loads of new seeds that we're going to be starting with. All of these ones have got loads of leaves on them still. They look very strong, very healthy. These are all ones I bought from the shop, this variety. Some of them are probably a dark colour and a lime colour, which are varieties I can't get. You may have noticed I've added my hedge clippings. I found a really good use for them. Just by placing them around the bottom of these plants, you can keep the temperature of the roots a little bit, a fraction higher, or maybe more so, protect the roots from any frosts that could potentially show up. But here we are. This is a little system I've added in. I've taken out the stones as well, because the stones were like a bit of a coolant, very good conductor of heat, whereas these are more like a good blanket for the hard times, for the frosts we may get. They're pretty safe in here, but you know, it's better to have these extra layers of protection. All these plants over here have them too. So there we are. That's the pepper plant update. Lots of seeds I've got saved inside the house in a little box, in little seed containers. which will be started in spring. There's the old nettle patch. And yeah, buddleias. I've pruned these buddleias back, and there we go. I'm going to probably move some of this soil over to the new compost area. Over there you can see you've got a visitor. There's someone else that's very happy about the new setup with all the worms and stuff. And there we go. That's the garden update for November.